Welcome back, friends. Thank you very much for joining me. You are watching Grandma Meteorology. Your one like and subscribe will give this channel a new life. An amber warning has been issued for northern parts of Scotland as winter hazards continue to dominate the UK weather. Cold Arctic air remains dominant over the UK, with snow and ice likely to continue ahead of the weekend for many in the northern half of the country, including Scotland, Northern Ireland, parts of northwest and southwest England, and North and West Wales. A number of Met Office weather warnings are in force on Wednesday and Thursday. An amber warning for snow has now also been issued for northern parts of Scotland, where high ground could see in excess of 40 centimeters of snow accumulate before the weekend. Lower ground in the north of Scotland is more likely to see 5 to 10 centimeters of lying snow accumulate ahead of the weekend. However, while temperatures will increase from the markedly low figures of recent days, this change in air mass will also introduce the likelihood of a return to wet and windy weather for most through the weekend. This change will initially be relatively benign in terms of weather impacts, with a dry Friday and start to Saturday for many in the south of the UK. The Atlantic influence will then introduce some wet and windy weather, with a deep area of low pressure approaching from the west on Sunday. While detail is still being worked out, this has the potential to bring heavy rain and strong winds for some, and we've issued an early warning for a large part of the UK. Warnings are likely to be reviewed and amended in the run-up to the weekend as certainty of impacts increases, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest Met Office forecast. The exception to the benign start to the weekend is in northern and western Scotland, with showers likely to continue on Friday and Saturday, likely continuing to fall as snow over high ground.